This video will show you the steps to delete your Instagram account. First, go to the Instagram application itself. Here you need to click on your account icon at the bottom right. Next, you need to go to the settings. To do this, click on the three stripes at the top right. Go to the Account Center. Here you need to scroll down, find and click on the Personal Details button. Click Account Ownership and Control, then click Deactivation or Deletion. Select the account you want to deactivate, then select Delete Account. Click Continue. A menu opens where you need to select a reason for deleting your account. Click Continue and continue again. Enter your Instagram account password to confirm. Now click Delete Account. Now your Instagram account has been deleted. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if the video was helpful. If you have any questions about Instagram, write in the comments.